Hello, friends. We have seen in the previous clippings what are the types of accounts, that is personal, real, and nominal. Then we also covered the rules of debit and credit for personal, real, and nominal. Remember, for personal account, it's debit the receiver and credit the giver. For real account, it debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And for nominal account, it's debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gains. We also saw the types of accounts, personal, real, nominal, and different accounts coming under those headings. Let us see how to pass the journal entry. In the last clipping, we have seen the three steps procedure of passing a journal entry. Step number one, identify minimum required two accounts in the journal entry. Step number two, see those accounts belong to which type, personal, real, or nominal. And step number three, apply the rules of debit and credit and pass the journal entry. Let us take an example. Paid rent Indian rupees 2500. Paid rent Indian rupees 2500. If we talk about this transaction, this event, this give and take relationship between the two persons, we come across the two things that somebody has paid the rent. Now, always keep it in mind, if I add the word paid rent to Mr. Ahmed, Indian rupees 2500. Now, the question in front of you will be, there are three types of accounts. As per the step number one, we have seen that there are minimum required two accounts which you have to identify. So, in this case, there are three accounts which we are coming across. Number one, rent account. Number two, Ahmed account. And number three, cash account. There are three accounts which we are talking about, right? Now, already I have said that minimum required two accounts are required. Now, are three accounts required in this journal entry? Already I have said that there are only two accounts which will be required for this journal entry. Now, rent, cash, and Ahmed. Three accounts are coming in front of us. Now we have to choose out of these three accounts only two accounts, because one will represent debit, other one will represent the credit. So which account to be dropped? The question is there, which account to be dropped? Rent account I must consider because this is my expenditure. I must record that. So I have to consider rent account. There is no other option. Number two, which account to be considered? There are two accounts remaining, Ahmed account and cash account. What is to be done? Think over this.